Creating a to-do list in Monday.com is an efficient way to track tasks, manage projects, and stay organized. Here's how to create one. Log into Monday.com. Sign into your Monday.com account. Choose the workspace where you want to create your to-do list or create a new one. Create a new board. On the left sidebar, click plus new to create a new board. Select from scratch or choose a pre-built template for task management. Give your board a name and click create board. Add tasks. In the new board, you will see columns like task name, status, and due date. Click the plus add item button to add tasks. Enter the name of the task in the task name column. Organize tasks. Use the status column to track the progress. Set due dates for each task by clicking on the due date column. Assign tasks to team members using the people column. Customize and filter. Add more columns if needed. Use the filter and sort options to organize and view your tasks based on specific criteria. Stay updated. As tasks are completed, update their status to done.